All right, I got an email at Cory@CoryDraper.com asking, what's the best way to promote Save Club? Okay, and this is probably going to be one of my shortest videos because I'm just going to show you, and that's it. Okay, and then get a hold of me, follow me on TikTok or Instagram, or you can see what I do on YouTube, okay? And just watch what I do every day, okay? I really don't have to do a tutorial. Just see what I'm doing. Just sit back with a nice cold Pepsi or something and just see what the heck I choose to do. And it seems to work, okay? Anyway, I am a big fan of business cards. And that's just if someone on a street level comes up to me and asks about Save Club, I just want them to go to this link, okay? Because I'm an affiliate, all right? $60, one and done. I'm a big fan of just inviting people to ilovesaveclub.com. All right, so I bought ilovesaveclub.com for 12 bucks and 17 pennies at GoDaddy. And for free, ilovesaveclub.com from GoDaddy forwards to this page right here. Okay, you get this page when you pay your 60. You get a full-blown website that kicks ass. And this page is awesome. Okay, and I recommend that you invite everyone to this page because it has this video by our founder, Charles Moy. And he tells you everything you really need to know about saving money on almost every product you can think of under the sun that you're already buying, the future, what he has planned, okay? And you're in or out. That's it, just all from the convenience of a YouTube video made by Charlie and the company, okay? They're working on a really nice Save Club pay plan video too. And people will put in their information here if they want more info or if they want to sign up. Okay, just make sure your email is correct. Sometimes I get incorrect emails. Okay, just typos. Make sure you have your email because you're going to get a Save Club email. Open it up and join. Just hit that orange button. And when you join, get your username, your password. Make sure you configure your bank account. Okay, just to give you a little tutorial, go right here to My Earnings. Here's a little side thing. This is the most important thing people never do. After you sign up, please go to My Earnings tab. Select your payment. Okay, you got to select your payment and configure your bank. If you live in America, okay, we have a bunch of crypto opportunities coming up with iPayout, BitPay, Credit Wallet. So if you got cryptocurrency, great. If not, get some. Okay, it's a legit currency, guys. This is not a cryptocurrency type of investment thing. This is just a way that you can pay when you're all over the country, all over the world. Okay, but select your payment right there, that top left orange one, and connect your bank. Okay, because we get paid every Friday, and that's a good thing, okay? So getting back to biz here, how do I, promote this thing? Well, the business cards are like 22 bucks from Vistaprint. I like this design where ilovesaveclub.com kind of jumps off the card, and it's not busy. I don't put a lot of information, and on the back of the cards, I just keep them white. In case you need to write notes or something, like your grocery list or just save money. You don't have to double pay for double back, whatever. But most people, they know how to use a business card. They look at it. Okay. And I just recommend save money. Okay. I rounded the corners for like 25 bucks just to make them look kind of cool. But other than that, that's one way that I promote. Just on a street level, guys, go to ilovesaveclub.com. Now, number two, I post videos like what you're looking at now. I like to just do a video like this anywhere from 5 minutes to 10, 15, 20, 30. I do all different lengths, okay? And it could be a training where I show people exactly what I do or what they should do after they sign up, or a webinar where I just go through the whole opportunity, show the back office, show how to save money, and then after you're an affiliate, just how to promote like this. I guess this could be somewhat of a training video, okay? I like to use a Logitech C920. It's a webcam. It's on top of my computer screen. I like to have notes, a nice pad of paper, a pen. Remember these things? All right. I love to have me a drinky like this beautiful vanilla protein shake to keep this 220-pound body as sexy as possible. Because there might be a lady named Lulu looking for me. Probably not. Is there anyone named Lulu anymore? If they are, aren't they about 90? That's about my age group anyway. So if you're 90 named Lulu, give me a call after the video. I'm lonely. Okay, but I love doing video. You can see my personality, my voice. What do I act like? What do my walls look like? What are my interests? How do I dress? Okay, the more video I do, the more successful I am, not only in just Save Club, but I've got a whole bunch of businesses that earn me money every day. And it's all based upon video and having fun and just inviting you to watch short videos. So guys, another way that I promote, I just like to do kind of fun, uplifting, not too serious YouTube videos. Okay, you can also do selfie videos from your cell phone. Okay, I just prefer a webcam where I can sit and relax with you guys. But, maybe in the summer I'll do a little more outside things where I'm walking around showing you life in beautiful Utah where I live. Okay, but those are ways that I find highly successful. Okay, I'm a big fan of just Facebook. Okay, I love using Facebook. I screw around a lot on Facebook. And most of my posts are not about Save Club, Save Club, Save Club. Okay, if I post on Facebook 10 times, only 2 is going to mention Save Club. The other 8 are going to be about a car show that Rockin' Hot Rod Productions, Blaine, Jill, and I are producing. Like there's a big one this Saturday. Or I might show you a car or a vehicle that I have that I just love, and maybe I just shined it up at the car wash. Okay, because I get deals at the car wash. You can get deals on Lyft to go to the airport. You can get deals on flights. You can get deals at Walmart, which I love. I love Costco. I love going to Subway. Maybe I'll go hop on one of my bikes and just go to Subway, pick up a little sandwich, save some money. There's so many savings with Save Club. And I like to talk about some of the things that save me money so people might relate and go, I do eat out, I guess, more than I realize. So if I can save like $3 to $5 at Subway, maybe I go buy a pizza. Okay. Burger King's even on there. Do you ever get those darn Whoppers? They're horrible for you, but you just got to have 1 or 2 or 4, save money, guys. You need a purple mattress. Great. You need tires, discount tire. If you want to go on a big old vacation that costs a lot of money, dang well, Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios, all those areas are going to soak up thousands of bucks. So yeah, there's deals with Save Club. Shoes. Oh my God, guys, I could go on for 10 hours. But that's one other way that I promote Save Club is talk about some of the things that really do save me money. Okay, and then when everyone else goes and checks out the deals, they can sit there for hours and hours and go, wow, for that $20 a month, I'm saving 50 to 100 or thousands a year. Okay, I know I'm going to. Just the way that I love to spend on crazy things like on Hot Wheels and Kiss memorabilia. I'm sure there's going to be some deal that's going to be in the back office of Save Club that's going to make me go buy something with the name Kiss on it. All right. Kiss shirts, Walmart. Man, I do all these shirts. Everyone's like, where do you get your shirts? I'm like, oh yeah, aren't they nice? Ooh, they're $6. Cut the sleeves off and they're at Walmart for $5.98. And if I spill on them or mess them up, you know what? I can probably get them for cheaper. If I can save some money even on a $6 shirt, why not? I think it's fun to save. So that's another way. I talk about things that people can relate to. I do it on a webcam or on my cell phone. Okay, and you don't have to do video. There's plenty of other videos and opportunities that you can do. Okay, Instagram is kind of similar to Facebook and TikTok. It's all social media where you're posting something, a picture or a video. And I suggest just taking your time like we're talking now. Don't think you have to go fast and talk weird and go in and out showing your big booger face and nose and doing wacky stuff and production. Just talk how you would like to talk if you're with me right now. Hey guys, there's a new opportunity. It's only 14 days old. I am so happy to be a part of it. Please check it out. I think it's going to save you money on things you're already buying. I love saveclub.com. Okay, if that took me, 15, maybe 20 seconds, okay, and just do it in front of a mirror or just record yourself. You don't have to upload it to social media or YouTube. Just sit and record. Do it 50 times, okay? If you have to have your face look good or your hair look nice or if there's a certain look or style or a place where you can sit that gives you more confidence, then do that, okay? Sit in your car for real and make fun of it going, guys, this is video 1 of my steering wheel series. That's hard to say. Steering wheel series. I almost talk like this for some reason. Hi. Okay. And I might do that. I might do a set of steering wheel series. just to have fun and show people relax. And even if you say something wrong or you get lost or, half my videos I call Save Good because I'm in LiveGood. And then there's Save Club. And right now I'm producing videos that say Save Club and Live Club, and people figure it out. Okay. So I don't care if I mess my videos up. I think they're more funny. Even if I misspell or I don't know. I guess I could cough or lose track of my overall theme or agenda with each video. But you know what? I upload them. And if people like them, great. If not, I'm going to produce another and another and just promote Save Club. Have a good time. So I like to do YouTube videos. I like to do them either on a webcam like this or on my cell phone. I like to post on Instagram and YouTube, TikTok, the same way as Facebook because they're real similar. There's a different process, but I just upload a video. I upload a picture of maybe a product or something I save money on. Guys, I save money on this. Check out Save Club. I love saveclub.com. If I do a video, I just tell you guys what's ever on my mind, but I make sure that I promote my link. Okay? So, if you remember, I do have my business card here. I bought my domain at GoDaddy, and I just go ahead and promote that phrase right there. Okay? It's money in my bank. Okay? I've made about $1,500 just the first week or two promoting this. Okay? And I don't do anything different. I do not have this list. Okay, I just post stuff on YouTube and on Facebook and some other social medias now and then, and people just seem to find it. There's no competition. This is brand new. It's pre-launch. No one is doing Save Club. There's about 100 of us that all know each other because of probably LiveGood and some other opportunities. But other than that, the whole world is going to enjoy Save Club because this is a worldwide savings club. It specializes in America now, but as months and months go by, I watch 2 or 3 Zoom meetings with our founder, Charles Moy. He just says, you know what? Every day I'm going to expand into Canada, to Mexico. I'm getting deals that are international, which include Asian areas, Africa, right over to the UK, okay? So just be patient. If you live somewhere differently than America, we're coming at you. And you can probably find people, and I have people signing up from around the world, and I don't know anyone out of the country except maybe 2 or 3 people, and they have nothing to do with online business. Okay? So when you start posting, remember the whole world could be watching. Okay? And it's exciting when someone from another country joins. It's really cool, man. It makes you feel good. Like, damn, I don't know if we'll ever meet, but I got a friend that's 6,000 miles away. Okay? So guys, I love saveclub.com. You're going to go to this page right here. Please watch the video with Charles. Okay, and then right behind me here, fill out your name and contact info. Click that orange button. Just make sure your email is correct because you're going to get an email to join or just more information about this situation called Save Club. Okay? All right, guys. Thanks again. I'm sure you're going to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're on Facebook, just find me. And if you have any questions, just inbox me there. I love it because then I can just haul ass and type like a crazy person and hopefully help you out, okay? All right, thanks again, guys. We'll talk to you soon. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.